A proper installation begins with an engineered calculation based off of your machine's static and dynamic loads. Today, we're going to show you what a proper installation should look like, no matter which piece of Oliver machinery you have. If you're wondering where to find your static and dynamic load, take a minute to look at your drawings. In this video, we will demonstrate an installation on our Model 240. However, these techniques can be used for all Oliver machinery. The success of Oliver gravity separators, de-stoners, size right, and dryers highly depends on correct installation. Common surfaces, whether indoor or outdoor, can sometimes be uneven. You want to ensure that the surface is completely level and flat. Here are some common materials you will need to reach the perfect installation. You can find the anchoring points along the base of machine. Refer to layout drawings for your proper anchoring size. Today we will be using a 3-inch bolt to anchor into a concrete surface. When leveling, make sure that you are maintaining both static and dynamic loads. If you notice the base of the machine is not flush with the surface, insert shims. With proper installation, you can expect 50+ years of great performance. If installed incorrectly, your machine could develop stress fractures and cracks. Cracking and fractures can lead to an unwanted result in separation. Let our people help your people. If you have questions, or need a service tech to help with installation, feel free to drop a comment below or call us at 1-800-254-7813.